So C.S. Lewis once said, I believe in Christ as I believe the sun has risen this morning. It's not because I see it, but because by it, I see everything else. And that's what this YouTube channel is all about. I want to help people see everything else in light of Christ. And I'm excited, man, because it gives me an opportunity just to, talk about the things I'm passionate about, things I love, theology, philosophy, metaphysics, hip hop, hip hop culture. Because the gospel has been prepared for every culture, and every culture is prepared to receive the gospel. And so, what better way for me to demonstrate that than to use the culture that I'm a part of, that has shaped me and that I've grew up in, that being the hip hop culture. The Perfect Unity Network is the name of the channel, because what we are about is the purpose and plan of God to perfectly unite all things in Christ. When you're growing in your ability to see Christ in all things, you experience joy on deeper and deeper levels. And so, why wouldn't I want to share that? That's the greatest thing to share. And so, we're going to have some fun, man. I'm really excited about it. And I think God has sovereignly shaped and moved things and brought me to the point for such a time as this.